Here is the picking pattern for D in Everybody Hurts. First of all, get your heel pad onto the bridge pins, or possibly your little or third finger somewhere, just to have a reference point. It's not a good idea to try to do this without having a reference point. About 1/4 of the plectrum, if you're using a plectrum. 3 downstrokes, then 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and then 1st, 2nd, 3rd with 3 upstrokes. That's important because you need to maintain your rolling motion for all songs. So down, up. That's it, speed it up, and you do 2 of those at a time in the song.